So, I was uploading and I don't know if the camera's actually picking it up, but it's raining really hard here. Look, it's gonna come look at our gutter. Yeah, whoa. It's kind of attack of the raindrops right now. Which kind of sucks because I watered this morning. Oh wait, hey, you want to see my cat? Hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Hi, no, sometimes he plays with my fingers. There's like dead feet on the floor, I don't know. Look at all that. You might be able to see that color over here. It's bouncing up. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but you know, it's raining really hard. Also, it's kind of funny. We have people that mow our lawn because we have a really big lawn and we don't have a lawnmower. Because we used to live in the city. And, we hired someone to mow our lawn. They rolled over a piece of mulch and it like stuck in the only window we have screen on, so the screen saved the window. So you can notice that window has screen, it is those, like we don't have screens. I don't know why. We just don't. Oh, this one might already. Oh, cat. It's a kitty. It's a kitty. It's a kitty. It's a kitty. Oh, a kitty. Oh, my kitty. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It is so loud. I don't know if you can hear me. Oh, it's rain. What is rain? It's rain. Our hand is dying. We just got that. Yeah, we don't have any service either, so not service, but like TV. Oh my gosh, that is abusive. Oh my gosh, there's so much rain, it's overflowing. Dude. Oh my gosh, we're being flooded. It's been so dry lately and now we're being flooded. Save me. Save me. Oh my gosh. Dude. We're being flooded out. Cat! Cat, help me! Cat, we're gonna drown! We're all gonna die! Oh my god, this is scary. So much rain. It's so very loud. If anyone's watching this, please send us like some kind of, I don't know, water pump or something. Please!